Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am telling you about our national flag. What means of the three colors and chakra? Before explanation, I want to tell you every country has its own national flag. Our Indian country has a national flag. It was adopted on 22 July 1947. The national flag, our country, is so beautiful. It was adopted on 1947 by Dr. Ambedkar. The national flag, what is meaning of national flag? It has three colors of national flag horizontally. First is saffron, second white, and third blue. The saffron is symbolize our freedom fighter and soldier in the battle of freedom. The blue symbolize the Indian agriculture and anything. The white symbolize the path of truth. The center of Indian flag, the Ashok Chakra, that contains Indian flag center. That means which spokes 24 words: love, respect, self-respect, hope, passion, and many things. And Ashok Chakra's blue color to movement and progress. That's all.